Hello guys. In today's video we're gonna continue about the the WordPress creation account. After creating an account and website like we did here, WordPress also highly customizable. There are thousands of free and paid themes and plugins available like we said, and we tried a theme and we created a new page and they gave us to start writing. But what we didn't talk about are the settings and your profile. So here you hit the profile, wordpress.com/me. Here you should put a profile picture for so people can see who is writing what are they reading. So here we have your first name, your last name, and we have the public display name, the name that is shown to your readers, and here a little bio. So you can hide your photo and your avatar profile from here and save profile from here. So you can get your profile link, manage which seat appears in your profile. Here we have the account settings, account information, your username. Sorry, that username already exists. We add X as always. You confirm your username. Madaga. It's pronounced Madaga. I don't know about you, but I can pronounce it Madaga. Please re-enter your username to confirm it. What would you like? A matching blog address. True, yes, of course. Ah, I forgot the X. Now, Madagax. Please read carefully. You are about to change your username, which is currently Madara G813. You will not be able to change your username back. If you just want to change your display name, which is currently Madaga, you can do so under my profile. Changing your username will also affect your Gravatar profile and enhance the page profile address. So there is nothing dangerous. Just save your username. We have the language preferences and the theme. Let's go back here. We were here. So this was my website. I don't remember when I did this, but I think I switched between accounts. So let's continue. Here we have the dashboard color. You can choose the black, aquatic, blue, classic light, and you see no lag when you change the theme. So here we have the purchase settings. You should upgrade. We have the billing history. We have the payment method on your website. You can add it from here. The the Visa information or MasterCard or any other card, and you feel like you are buying something. So we have the security, the password, the account email, the two-step authentication, recovery email, recovery SMS, SSH key. You can connect apps. You currently have 2 connected apps, social logins, and the privacy. And the data precision addendum. Okay, here we have manage blog, your blog page. And I can go back the notification settings, comments, updates. I have 3 notifications. We have the email from WordPress.com that reach you on your emails. So you can disable it all if you don't want any disturb or any notifications. Here we have the blocked sites. You can block sites and view them here. Check WordPress on the go with the Jetpack mobile app. You can install the app, scan the code, and use it wherever you are, whenever. Where. Here we have the help center. You can search for help, managing your profile, and other helps. Here a shortcut for the notification. Here we have the reading section. So overall, WordPress is a versatile, customizable, and user-friendly platform that can be used by anyone to create and manage a website. Its strong community support and extensive range of themes and plugins makes it a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. So here you can read random, or I don't know, those are just for you, or the tendons, or just some blogs to read. You can get the app for your desktop. We have likes, conversations, lists, tags, and notification for the reading. So if you wanna read something or just get distraction, you click the title, header, you keep reading. You can get inspiration from what you read. You can follow the person. We have 94 million followers for Jeremy Anderberg. Give reader a chime. Nice. I'm not reading now, I'm just passing. So you can comment down after completing the reading. You can read the comments to fill up your time. And I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on more videos.